Hey there, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about HoneyBook, a popular invoicing and client management software for freelancers and small businesses. I've been using HoneyBook for a few years now, and I've found it to be an incredibly helpful tool for keeping my business organized and on track. But one thing that I've always wondered is, can you pay HoneyBook monthly? The answer is yes. You can pay HoneyBook monthly, but there are a few things you need to know before you do. In this video, I'm going to cover the following topics. What are the benefits of paying HoneyBook monthly? How do you pay HoneyBook monthly? What are the limitations of paying HoneyBook monthly? Is paying HoneyBook monthly right for you? I hope this information is helpful. What are the benefits of paying HoneyBook monthly? There are a number of benefits to paying HoneyBook monthly. First, it can help you save money. HoneyBook offers a discount for annual subscribers, so if you know you're going to be using the software for a long time, it can be more cost-effective to pay monthly. Second, paying monthly can give you more flexibility. If you're not sure whether or not you're going to need HoneyBook in the future, you can cancel your subscription at any time. Third, paying monthly can help you avoid unexpected fees. If you pay for HoneyBook annually and then decide to cancel your subscription, you may be charged a cancellation fee. How do you pay HoneyBook monthly? To pay HoneyBook monthly, you'll need to create a HoneyBook account and then choose the monthly payment option. Once you've done that, you'll be billed monthly on the same day of the month. What are the limitations of paying HoneyBook monthly? There are a few limitations to paying HoneyBook monthly. First, you won't be eligible for the annual discount. Second, you may be charged a setup fee if you cancel your subscription before the end of your first billing cycle. Is paying HoneyBook monthly right for you? Whether or not paying HoneyBook monthly is right for you depends on your individual needs and budget. If you're not sure, I recommend taking some time to weigh the pros and cons before making a decision. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.